If you look carefully, you're going to see that this is on the 2nd of October. Now, I actually got this amount of money just by sharing screenshots and sharing screen records. Now, you have screen record on your phone, and I'm going to show you how to actually do that. When you record your screen, you share it and you get paid. Now, the first step is to go over to Google. You're going to need to set up your YouTube account. Now, to set up your YouTube account is really that simple. And remember, you can do all of these things with your phone. Okay. Now, all you need to do is click on go to Google and search for studio.youtube.com. Now, when you log in there, just open it. You're going to see studio.youtube.com. Search it. Now, when you search, it's going to bring you down to a page where you're going to need to log in. Now, you're going to see your account, and of course, if you have shared some videos before, you would see it there. Now, what you want to do is to look down. If you look down, you're going to see settings. Okay, you'll see settings. Now, click on general. You're going to see your currency. You can choose Naira. Okay, for me, I chose Naira. You can choose Naira or US dollar, depending on whichever one you want to choose. Just take your time, scroll through here, you will see it now. Now, after that, you are going to click on channel. Okay, when you click on channel, you are going to see this. Okay, first of all, go back to general, and then after you choose your currency, please make sure you save it. Okay, when you save it, it will be there for you. Then go down to channel. Now you're going to see your country. Okay, your country of residence. You can choose any country that you are currently living in. Okay, you're going to see all countries here. Now, after that, you're going to see under it keywords. Now, simply put in the keywords of the kind of videos you want to be sharing. So, for example, if you're sharing videos that have to do with make money or whatever, just type in those like make money online, how to grow, how to become financially free, all those kind of keywords. Now, another app you can also use to do your keyword is called YouTube. Okay, I'm going to be leaving it here on the screen so that you can see. The name is YouTube. Just go ahead and download it from Play Store or App Store, and then use it to get your keywords. It's just that simple. Now, after you are done, make sure you save it as well. Then you're going to come down to this place that says agreement. Now you're going to see all the things here, but there's nothing here on agreement, so you can just close it. Then you are done with settings for now. The next thing you want to do on your studio is to look up. You would see the menu line, those three lines at the top left. Click on it. You will see content, you will see analytics, comments, and the rest. Now you click on customization. When you click on customization, you are going to need to just set it up. Okay, put in your channel name, put in the name, the picture you want to use, you put in your banner image, and then you also write the description of what your channel is going to be. It's just that simple. And then you save it. You're going to publish it. If you look up, you will see publish. Right now, publish it. Now, once you are done, you move to the second step, which is to start recording your videos and sharing it. Now, recording is you're recording screen records. Okay, remember, you have screen record on your phone. If I slide down now, you're going to see a video screen recorder. Right, can you see that close to hotspot? You can see that, right? All you need to do is just on it. Once you on it, it's going to start recording your screen. Now, the next thing is to go to Google again. And when you come to Google, just type in, let's say you want to be sharing videos that has to do with watching videos online, how to make money watching videos online. Just ask Google to actually give you make money watching video apps. Okay, in case you don't know any app at all, just type it here. And then Google is going to bring you a lot of apps. Now, all you need to do is just record this app one after the other. Okay. Now, how many apps do you have here? We have almost about 10 apps. This is about 10 screen records for you. 10. So you're going to be recording all of them one after the other. Swagbox, Inbox Dollars, and the rest. Now, what you want to do is either you go to Play Store and then you search for the name of the app, or you simply use the web browser to record it. So, for example, let's search for Swagbox here. Let's see. if they have an app. Now you're going to see that there's an app here, and there are already 204,000 people using the app to make money, watch video, and do surveys. Now all you need to do is just install this application. When you install it, you can now begin to record it and telling people how to use the app. It's just that simple. Now when you are done installing the app, you just need to you can either decide to edit it or you can just upload it that way. Now to upload it, you come back to your dashboard. You're going to see your dashboard here. Now let's go to the dashboard itself, so that it's going to show us in this account no video has been uploaded yet. So all you need to do is you can simply just upload this video by clicking on create. Okay, when you click on create, it's going to bring you down to, if you are doing it for the first time, they will give you tutorials. Now click on create, click on upload videos, and then once you upload your videos, you're going to now need to put in your title. So I'm going to upload something now. So the video is uploading. Now it's going to bring you down to a page where you can put in your title, put in your description, put in your thumbnail. Now thumbnail, you can use Canva to design your thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail is the first thing you are seeing before you click on the video. Okay, now you're going to also select, you can decide to select your playlist or you leave it like that, and then you're going to close this. Now you're going to say this video is not made for kids, right? Now you click on show more. Then you can also go back and use YouTube's. Under this place says tags. Go ahead and use YouTube's to collect your tags. Just type in the name, the keyword that you are trying to rank for. So for example, if your video is about how to make money watching videos, so type it on YouTube, and YouTube is going to bring you related keywords and related tags. Just copy it and put it down here in this place says tags. And then once you are done, you just click on, you go back to next, click on next. Now you can add your end screen, you can add your cards and the rest. You can add all that, and then after that you can also come back to the check. You're going to see that they will check it to see if there is a copyright issue. After that, you're going to click on next and next until you get to visibility, then you publish it. But let's go back here. Let me talk a little bit about the title. Now the title is very important. Remember, the video you are sharing is how to make money watching videos. So you can simply say how to make you can use dollars or naira depending. Let's say how to make $2 every minute every minute watching videos. Okay, you can say videos online. All right, and then you can simply, to clear all doubts, you can say no investment needed, no investment. Okay, so to clear all that, because a lot of people think that once you see stuff like this, they are going to need to invest anything. You can simply say no investment needed, right? So that's how it is. Then you just close the bracket. Now you are done. Now the keyword here is okay, let's see. I think there's no make here. Okay, let's write how to make $2 every minute watching YouTube videos. You can just share it like this. Now you can simply under the description, you can highlight this and then select all, and then copy the title and then come back here and put it. Now the reason for this is so that we can still have the same keyword that is in the title in the description as well. Okay, now automatically this video is going to choose a default thumbnail for you. Now all you need to do is just you can leave it like the way it is from the video, or you can design your own thumbnail using Canva. That is a different lesson on its own. Okay, now after that you come back, you just choose your playlist and select it, and then you're going to see show more. Just make sure you set up all of these things. You can leave this place says author content, you can just leave it, and then after that you can this place says people and blog. You can click on it. Under category you can choose education. Okay, choose education, and then you are good to go. Then you click, as you can see, no issue found. Now click on next. Now I'll put in your card and end screen. Card and end screen is simply videos that they will watch at the end of your video. And then once you are done, you go back to next. I'm just going to discharge this, and then I'm going to go back to next. And then you're going to see that it checks there is no copyright issue. So I can just click on next and then put it on visibility, and then allow it, people can now start watching. Once I put it on public, I will now click on publish, and instantly people are going to start watching the video, and that's how I am gathering money. And once I gather enough money, YouTube is going to pay me. It's just that simple, guys. Trust me, you can do it. You don't even need to be a pro recording. You can use your normal voice, okay? Just record it. And now another thing I also want to say is you can also decide to even do more by editing your videos before you upload it, okay? Editing is one thing that you can also learn. It's not difficult. You can use CapCut or InShot to edit. Alright, so guys, if you are serious about this and you want to learn how you can make money online just by recording your screen, just like I did, then you want to just join me on Telegram, okay? Join us on Telegram and then reach out to me. We can talk about it, how I make money recording my screen. As you can see, I'm not showing my face, but I was able to make the amount of money you are seeing on the screen. All right, guys, subscribe to the channel, turn your bell notification. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.